Just got home from work here in Moose Jaw. I don't know if you can hear this or not, but there are some weird sounds. I don't know if it's coming from the sky. I'm not sure what that is. What is that? Whoa. This is just weird. That is so loud. Could be coming from the ground. I'm not even sure really.